speaking so be that. So free him was go fast 7 day Ghana. As they say, Wama another man and it to go after there. And I is one moody has some berries of issue. No, they say, Oko Gibrata, who no could see a kind. Now, Uko a TMS in Swa, a FIFA connect, so FIFA connect in Swa. Still a player of Accra Lions. Okay. And Accra Lions for air proof Mediana for register no. Has of folks so echo requested for the ITC and also register no. Player and so assign 2 years at the Mediana and was signed so the Ama has. They say Ama akofanse bibiri diaba. Amene nanado mahene any a year to go after there. And so moving come somewhere can for so resolve issue no.
Na let me check it.
I don't know what check it.
But also Ediana echo a request from Accra Lions.
Yeah.
And now
because the FIFA connect no.
The request in choir no. And now
I'm more accept here.
And I'm register.
And I'm return.
That is. And now has so. Aquagene TMA.
I'm more requested for ITC.
ITC.
And I'm so register so you player.
No, there is a conflict. Possible.
Why Accra
Lions? Even possible. Say one player, 2 things with marriage at the same time.
Cheche Muzaki to FIFA connect yet you.
And not possible.
And then it is
because every will have to solve this matter.
I'm sure, sir, because assets. The day now window look close here, you know. Okay, I want to believe, say Jibu. Everyone, no. They have Oma who do on to boy in registration, no. Omunya nyama obia. Because one, say me tie explanation now. They all can dia say say na tie dia nka e boy no or you dey na player. No, I'm speaking from experience. I'm speaking where me mama practical. Me mama practical.
That much of Kasayiti.
This is practical. Illustration.
Because more questions be after so maybe sir.
System.
Say club Ben has ebusa mo and I say association bay and a club has a request for the ITC.
Because boy no team no so I no crase Diana at the fair request. Equoy na Accra Lions accept it there. Then Diana nobody can say me Diana player. Because you cannot do anything again apart from say system say that you send a request to club A.
No club now accept it.
No accept it.
Yeah.
That is one. Two, they say or a free agent in bar. Even if he's a free agent, you say I'm sending a request to the last existing club.
Last existing club,
and I mean Accra Lions.
Last existing club.
Like last club he played. No, but for him to
about one after the other, one after the other.
Say when he returned back to Accra Lions, the community start in the system one today. No, he came back to Accra Lions because system. Where Jibo, me the system no. Oh, I didn't bring my family embassy. When I typed in Sobila in the system, Accra Lions. His name in the system is Accra Lions. Me say system no. When I type Asat last 2 days, na me hear in Sobila ni dino is still in the system of Accra Lions.
And it means that you acquire no class alone.
Mani we are over.
And I said Okobo we no. He is returning into all return no. He returned to his former club Accra Lions. And the teams are showing interest. To show interest, you have to send request to Accra Lions. Oh, maybe say menya a document no ability to kishoti and me yawa mananka mo dia confirm. as at last 2 days, he's a Accra Lions player. And he said, reporter when you're a there, they be a player. Because if you send a request to Lions, not or September, nobody can raise the player again, apart from the team that sent the request.
It is from Aduana Stars. Yene atapuku din komo. Say on pese obeba radio so abeka sabat. Wama some information kaka. O say omodie on the FIFA Connect no. Accra Lions na approve Emma Aduana Stars. So betimi atoa so with the registration no. Emma player no kra no was sign contract e de amom. Nti se uko FIFA Connect ne so. Na the last club Accra Lions nature so mo ne betia ma approve omo ne betia ma approve enti no am wona ha se kwaji ITs na free
the last club boy Accra Lions
because yes Aduana say on the system omo check the system it was Accra Lions they dealt with Accra Lions
but you so me say pay the last club boy
it doesn't matter system so near where they register. Every de I'm not saying say sanity. Every kwana okolon. Every so na okoboye. The contract as no back to Accra Lions.
Well,
so tell me say it is a Accra Lions and a war system no so no more accept Aduana. Why wanna ha say kwaje ITs na free.
no so it be Jeffrey.
The foreign club boy no about Jeffrey.
I want to be sure.
So the question is, how did House of Folk come in? And then a House of Folk better for ITs without having discussion with Lions or Insobilano. You see the point? So yeah, that's the other side. The Nyanya House of Folk side, but definitely. But the people now you say Lions are accepted at the ama Aduana dia, and they say registration or Aduana SND call if you are straight now. They say tell me system. They say the club now should be Aduana, not Lion be. Because registration on the code now. I will got my point. Almost September, like your friends Aduana. And Aduana starting process in the Saturday registration on you know. Set and can latest club should be Aduana.
No, but
not Lion.
The Omonium completing and
Omonium completing say all one side.
Aduana say what's an request? Wajetum. What's a request no? But Munyon complete the
was contract you according to you know Aduana was 2 years contract. Lions are jetting. So the process can be was signed contract some be so sign if indeed we are to believe in the attack why be so
no correct but FA have to now accept the registration. I'm sure say a Chilean wants to know the guys at the IT department haven't worked on the transfer yet.
And if the last team I said the former club no accepted there, it means that someone accepted the other day.
I mean, what should be a system? Not still now. Accra Lions. Just say the FA hasn't accepted the like registration yet. So the why produce BBA? And who produce BBA? It's now left with the GFA to accept registration in before it becomes confirmed.
Okay, Yantuaso. Yellow club licensing mukaka. Dr. Kwame Nuako ono na oye chairman edema GFA club licensing committee ene wakodin komo anopay ewo Asempa FM hono de etu edwase clubs club licensing Premier League clubs no club licensing status omuduma nyina no Asante Kotoko ene club bibia club licensing ebuse omubia no omutimi emitie yentie Dr. Kwame Nuako ensema woka edifa club licensing no ho ene ensem kakra no susu ewumti ye twense ebetie Dr. Kwame Nuako no yemfa we so ento so enya no nko a esmemens ono susu club licensing manager Dr. Kwame Nuako ye committee chairman ono ena okasa ye esmemens susu club licensing manager ono susu bad na no betumba ye ni kantie Dr. Kwame Nuako.
The only club who met virtually all the Kumasi Asante Kotoko. funny enough, it's a club going through transition. A new board. There's one decision they made that probably where the guy with the institutional member. In doing so, they gave themselves the opportunity to be able to get knowledge of the processes, what needs to go. And so I'm aware the amount of pressure at you almost say we need this. Man farmer, or the frame. And I think he took advantage of that, got them to get him all the documentation. I mean, even to get the new board members registered, registrar general, and then for them, the board decided, say, we'll commend Kumasi Asante. The only thing that they do up was that no assistant coach contract was expiring in August. So the board reminded them, say, we've looked at that. Sometimes clubs if you say, the submitted document now, this is the belief amongst the clubs, say,
okay, it's YNTS Maman Studio de Etwaso.
All clubs will apply for line. They will send documents. There are some requirements on the club license online platform where clubs are required to send some documents, answer some questions to the club. So after that, we may review. Then it goes to the FIB, that is first instance board, and the board chairman or no chair or board. Yeah. We have members. It's almost review. After we may review, also review to make a decision based on what they've seen. If it's satisfactory, fine, they will approve it. Our license now will apply. So we'll approve it. So it was approve it, but there were some lapses, and there were sanctions. Approved sanctions or denied or rejected. So in the case of Asante Kotoko, and I think House of Folk saying approval, and not just Asante Kotoko, but maybe another chairman person can say they did so well. They were able to submit virtually all documents. And yeah, Asante Kotoko, honestly, if you ratings are, say most of the way they were able to. Maybe like what which shows improvement.
Okay, and no, Dr. Kwame Nuako, any SMMs, almost some of their tuja, if a club license and clubs no, Omujumedi Omudi, Emomunya license are fin, Omode Ebebo, the 2026-2027 Ghana Premier League. Yantuaso, Asante Kotoko, Asa Onveli after Nano Pay, Omonveli Richard Bodu Agadas. Omar Valley defender and the Umar Ali one sign for a year 2 seasons and Umar Ali the Ebabisia kind a day Ama Asante Kotoko Ufi a year Bayas and no UAE Pro League and 2024-2025 and the last time we see a kind a day Emma a year our club in Tina 2025-2026 when see a kind and farmer club and 2026-2027 Asante Kotoko etimi a registering T and no so any day a wobavo mami inti when some day a go no
Kotoko Billy MC say omoboy amanese wiki mu ya anticipate na more beba and yehu na lad there yehu wadi there yehu agadasi there and we know almost say our new left back and the unse left back honum already no ayi wo honum asiedu wo ho and we so abeka ho so far me say left back ho there ayi omienu pe
yeah and na ayi so player mu fan from Legon Cities so no so timi ball left back but coach ni buy no o use as left side center back
left side yeah or center back
amwa
o use as center back ebia seban is
the emergency situation obeti akọ yeah
but I think right side the one there is 45 let me say right back one there it's okay nti e be hu more so in there as expected and it's normal and it's okay with regards to boss the insobila there no this anopame kan say it is the FA that will clear this because we be say obi catch them say and maybe Azak bit my bomb kakra obi catch them say ebani say ya between the two clubs no they was submitting player no document to the FA first and normally no ya na utimi enya ni way and as at the time Adriana ni so blading commoni nyina
so obi catch us
say two clubs no they were submitting player no document first to the FA for processing with regards to registration. Banisa na ya na as a FA ni accept.
Na ubuzan se BS da no ama we bia player we say na registration here we say na here ubuzan.
Membisa because on say the and say now may try to source for information from different angles. Sata me na near Diana for near house for maybe our baby and now you are trying to see say even the players of Black now we're looking for him say binya be a feeling honour. But we got that say for instance as at the time now Diana for ne Casano. Now after we're starting a change of mind.
But this is where my issue is. O the young for registration be Antonche. Player what took an akobo wabuchiri. Na wabagana usu pitim. Has a fro, Adriana fro. Momasa Mokana make him you. Was him a cosign contract a Mediana, Masaba sign contract a has. Says Anetia, I say we need a cano. Professional player.
Wouldn't say,
with the young for registration you grant on change.
Who has for the has?
Say I'm passing why yes, I dare so a cosign Mediana Sabba Sam Haza. I say we pa NSA.
House for him say no near Adriana Casa. But to say what sign contract here. Has for
but Kwame say
only Adriana for Casa also more 2-year contract with him.
So let's say has ready ensign Adriana any contract house any contract. Adriana Mahas any Adriana ho kwan some be some register no.
Oh for instance question we say me anapa no nipa me nika so okay me say omuntimi fa a normal call without having a contract with him.
Yes.
So it means say as of today obenya a contract with both Asante Kotoko. Because
Hassan Adriana.
Sorry, Hassan Adriana. Why do I keep saying Hassan Adriana? And no cry in itself, no, as I create another way. Then you didn't come on to do baby no. In Sobila, F4 say, Domano Kawa. He would rather prefer staying in Accra. One say because of Accra Lions and where Accra boy right. Any all that in it. I say why Accra no yet.
As only so best to Accra. And then there's also Domako sign contract.
But the question is whether this or no.
No, say me beside because it doesn't look maybe I say me name say sanity. Because a sanity there. Then boy no he doesn't look like a player. But for you can one trust. Why you cannot do what two problem?
Well,
because say but for at the end of my house Gina some Coristano. At the end of Mediana for Gina some Obviously, so why do you go and sign for 2 clubs?
And I think that won't mean starting process
unless about cool chantro between us and Adriana
and Trodier Omunino be chantro. Probably he has misled the two of them. Omunino be for someone, you know, I could do pointer or more the right to take him to the FSA if you register the man. That is the point. Omunino will be for so was all right, you know. In fact, Adriana are very strong say. And pay no because no some quite the channel a channel him. But we know say in Sobila will not go to Doma or China. She said because ABC. She said now catch her say nana Doma Hene any to be a din komo no me no how they will resolve it. Be at that level no. One resolve then one of them will says okay with the then they pull out of it and then now one will have their way. And just unless we no decide say or be fighting over him. Then the FA will be the one that will have to sort it out. As I kept saying from an opinion, I say, per what I'm told, she said probably the FA, no, and I bet me I resolve it. Because it is the FA that will tell Ubia say, okay, when I didn't normal bar say or register boy, no, therefore your system when our system now accept in the normal. Then from then on, no, omo aye.
Based on this.
So my bad for me, money. What the money you are not the way now.
It's an interesting thing I develop and I think say ebia ye wie nyina na ebedi akire ni ahwe bia be kwakọ wie
ko next story we are no ba
club licensing but aka 2 weeks so I am saying 2 weeks if I'm right but ben pass aka 2 weeks or barely 2 weeks and me ayi de no fencing manager ni de no as my men's it sounded a bit more refreshing to me because the first one, Dr. Kwame Nuako didn't tell me, say, hey, Kotoko say Kotoko who's already in FA no day, Venusa, or more accepted a buyer, the more accepted buyer, and I think season we the MC never 2 class we pen or the name say issues kakra, a home. MC will be a green light. And you know, now as I want to say, I say, but with regards to meeting the unit there, many work I say, minim say be I say. And as go for et me resolve ya asata no pano now as go as a someone appealing to the club licenses for no and omo by the close of day and anya sa omo crowd there and her league no cry mo bi but I was told to say na omo koye ehun adwuma the stadium no or marketing manager I seen any certificate now there were issues been and some other aspect you know no other than that na me say clubs ni nyina no were good to go enti yeah titi when bad but senior SMMS be kind at least a man with a bit of assurance say at least obiya okay I yeah nya challenge you know
okay.
That's to omo meeting
Zach mami to na me ko captain so
based on the what I know about how registration is done no so below station near about GFBM and you say yakasa no now I me go fast to go and give you evidence of CCI yakase Dominic Insobila how the registration here in the fairness FIFA connect no and on your screen the emotion on TV so and moi or Facebook so tiri so I bet teacher mo atiase ti bon say the first sorry a name the name last year Dominic Insobila the next year organization which organization Accra Lions Football Club so let's put it on record say Dominic Insobila a year Accra House of Accra Lions player. Now I come back to Jibu Asma Okai and say oh my narration say Ediana send a fair request Emma Lions for no accept it. If they accepted that request it ends every matter. Ediana will go ahead and do their registration. I want to believe dear Amadle Abem I say if Bafos narration no sanity it's a boy no prefer to stay in Accra. I just say maybe he might have come in and told them say maybe a mama every for no and cancel. It's asema Kenyan if you have no role to play in this registration apart from Accra Lions. And I want to believe say bia and so if Bafo danger man so also there on control. So sanity what it means in the say he might have told a friend saying any Accra Lions for say hold on with everything. Ebia me di to me say me kwako bo my am discussion but me say me nya but ebia I have a different idea. Eti CCI ye die idea tell me ke no eye Insobila Accra Lions and be determine where the boy will play football. Aha until your boy no Accra Lions when be determine where he plays football next season. Eti enna ma ebia akofa sa delay and CC na idea ba I'm sure some motion me say they will sort it out and see where the boy will play football. But because some process was started, even though the window is closed, but he can still be registered. See, I'm sure say obi tie o ka say oh.
So na afi na manya ayipa mako aduana na mako has. Mako ni mienu nyina. Afi na manya story ni. The stories. Boy na kwantu na otuye no. Alone and okoye. Me ka Dominic Insobila. Alone and okoye. Which is UAE. Nyege Britain okoye UAE. Nti on the system no. So we know ne so automatically revert back to club now olonu ko baby akoye no. Nti in this instance no revert back to Accra Lions. Nti oye club now we have Dominic Insobila on the FIFA Connect no. So the about registration on the FIFA Connect no. We pass it through process ni nyina requirements ni nyina wie no. It take Accra Lions. So mo never accept your request no. Sampa player na friend say Insobila no. Ye ma ho kwan. Say either has or Aduana and register no. By this no Aduana meets our process ni nyina. aduana meet sa process ni nyina and may a witness to a contractor in Subila assigned them aduana stars has there them request men sankan but sisia ye kasai and come across between another man and to go after the akosini say aduana stars atias yes say Dominic in Subila has from fano omo pe problem bia ndise akakwan ombefa so register no transfer deadline atwam Debbie
if
from my extensive checks that means for house to register Dominic in Subila this year open system the back door for house to register him.
Can that be done?
Yes. Which ABA akaya close to transfer window no. Yenye. But sana beba.
House for say they beat the deadline. The house for the to the house of folk at least as an open no din komoni na. Omo say omo beat deadline no. And they got everything done just before the transfer deadline in close year. It has
because has there no but for from the more hano their FIFA connect Accra Lions are approve.
I approve.
Yes.
So approve we there no.
Approve yes.
So but House of Folk and I do a young one here immediately because House of Folk believed they got everything done.
Everything done no. Say be done na say ne club no
e ba approve.
What nyoma nyina uhia documents nyina uhia to do the registration on the FIFA Connect no. Why ni nyina wie no. Say player no club a. Esa club na approve.
But so bit me pending na.
Yeah, be better pending.
Oh, there is a registration no. Therefore if Diana the request echo Lions it ends everything. As of folk, just say, "Oh man, let's mamo obi a wo position bi anya no kre."
Confirm report I made say say boy no wo house secretariat.
Boy dey already what decide this on house.
No go say contact na ere.
Jibo, if Diana and it has been confirmed say they send the request, Emma Carlan accept it. Express about for house anya hwe mamo obi and that because yeah, you can't do anything in the system when Lions have accepted. But the only thing has this area, I don't lie here. Nobody can doubt. Nobody say at this area, nobody can tell me here.
Oh, they can't. Adia,
me kade the tier. This is what it is, not what I know. Adia has a year. And they say, almost send a request. 100 class can send request to one player. But for the market of any say they send the request. Apart from that, but they've gotten the boys where. No, it's about the system as something can. Okay, captain. As far as I can, previously now, who's like first Nanka, TMS in my typical draw to Ashgold and Kotoko. FIFA connected no. Eti bibia wechi na bibia kwai. Eti what happened was that Ediana send a request to Accra Lions. Accra send a request to Accra Lions. Ella Lions mum accept Ediana there no. Na na ask to register. O ma register.
O register.
Anya say o ba bibia wi.
O register no.
Anya no credit.
Register because FIFA connect no. Even the T1 form no. It should contain the signature of the player. So tell me, say process no. Then a signed contract. Remember, a signed contract. Before the approval will go through, what me meet requirement passport size picture no contract no. Player chrono over team obo. So tell me, say eti team no and approval registration no. So tell me, say from the way Accra Lions approve registration no at the Diana Stars. And not me approve registration twice Emma one player.
Then if that's the case then I said FIFA connect no. accept aduana go the gotten
ọmọ accept aduana
ọmọ accept but of course what say akala
no nta me chi o mo say
of course say
now now but for what say now kind ebe me here mami what say now kind here is where your source is very valid and they say now the boy have told any alliance for no boy that catch a alliance say about has based on what say now it becomes 2 years you understand so now you also play for us 80 now lions for no will now tell everyone say hold on to approving the registration because if the system who the request no call request no call na accept we are say all this in the contract then the whole produce na ecosystem no we are the GFIT have to vet it and mark everything green
so me tie ni nyina
they no more approve registration and sign alliance not change to the club that
another important point about registration system is that only one active request can be processed at a time. If one club has already submitted a request for the player and another club subsequently submit a second request, the second request will remain pending and cannot proceed.
Only one can be accepted.
But the case only the system say
there be accept Ebiana there no. Okay. Now Ebiana I registration no. But the akane the final stage of registration, which is the FA who have to approve the registration.
It's not the case FA for the best of.
And you know Lions for no might have told them say hold on because maybe a boy and say afi on Ebiana.
Boy they was say kwanwa, was domani.
Oh that kwanwa no first one no say